Hello everyone, E39 Tech, and today I'm going to be installing the little trunk lip here. It's the same design, the same style that the M5 has, and it seems pretty simple. I just cleaned off the trunk part here. It just comes with some sticky double-sided tape, and should be good to go. So the thing is, I didn't realize how much of a bend, at that much of an angle this trunk is at, so you gotta bend it a lot. Alright, so I'm back, it's installed. So what I did basically, peeled the tape off a very tiny little bit amount, started over here on the driver's side, peeled it off to about here, and just kind of line this up a bit. And then at first we did that, kind of tested it, started pulling it off as we were going. And then there was kind of some gap problems here, so I picked it up, pushed it back a little bit more, and then set it down, just kind of sat it there, and then just peeled off the tape and just kind of set it on here so it was stuck to it, but you could still lift it up if I needed to. But yeah, and then just kind of, I had my brother over here to make sure this gap was good too, so I'd say it's kind of a two-person job to check the gap on either side. But it looks pretty good. Got it off eBay for 35 bucks, pre-painted, and you can see the gap right here is pretty good, and how close it is to the back. So here we go. That's pretty much it.